late last night and we heard that there were some wasabi farms around this place, so we're going to go see what we can find. We've taken a few wrong turns already, so hopefully it's going to pop up shortly, but I'm so excited about this. I've actually got a few recipes in my cookbook that do call for wasabi, so it's going to be awesome to actually have wasabi in its most natural form and give that a go. So come with us as we try and hunt out this very special Japanese ingredient. I'm Kerry, a coffee-fueled mum, author and fire-cooking obsessed foodie. With my husband Lockie and our 3 little nomads, we embrace the art of slow living. 3 years ago, we packed up our old Kombi and caravan and left Australia with a simple mission: to cherish every moment together and explore the world for its fascinating food. Currently, we're on an adventure in the culinary capital of Japan. So come with us as we learn, cook, and of course break down, taking the slow route. Looks like we have found what we're looking for. This is a wasabi farm.
Yeah.
So we're going to go check it out, find out some more information, and hopefully we can take home some fresh wasabi root tonight. While here in Japan, I'm very excited to learn a lot more about wasabi, the root. Wasabi is known for being very difficult and slow to grow, taking up to 18 months, making it one of the most challenging crops to cultivate. Wasabi that is served outside of Japan is a mixture of horseradish, mustard and food colouring. Now, genuine wasabi provides a fresher, more complex flavour and texture. What I know about wasabi is that it's basically, you could say it's a Japanese horseradish, so it kind of looks a lot like horseradish does, and it's even got like that spicy tang to it, but just a little bit more punch. It's pretty cool to see it in its actual original natural form. We're excited. Okay, so with our fresh wasabi, we're going to get a traditional grater. There's 2 options here, stay still, which is what I've seen in most shops, but I've been searching for one of these for quite some time now, and it's actually a shark skin grater, and it basically maximizes the spiciness as you rub the wasabi root into it. Now, if you've been to a proper sushi restaurant, you'll notice that the wasabi is completely different to any other wasabi you've bought in a store or supermarket, and that's why. It's because it's 1, fresh, and 2, it's been grated properly with shark skin. So I'm going to grab one of these and grab some wasabi, and let's go make some seared tuna bowls for dinner tonight. Castle. It's one of the, well, it is the oldest castle here in Japan and one of 12 that is still in their original state. It's got this beautiful moat lake that is going around it, beautiful fish and swans. It's so pretty today. We're going to take the kids right to the top and explore the inside of the castle, and this is an opportunity for them to learn a little bit about Japanese history. Exploring Matsumoto Castle, originally known as Fukashi Castle, which was constructed at the beginning of 1504 and completed in the early 1590s. It is also referred to as Crow Castle and holds the distinction of being one of only 5 castles in Japan designated as a national treasure. Inside, we made our way through the museum and the kids were completely mesmerised. For one, the staircases, samurai armour, weapons and other historic artefacts, all offering a glimpse into Japan's past. The original wooden interiors have been meticulously preserved, including the stairs designed for defence.
abandoned. All the coins down in the well. I was there when you last tossed one. Tried to wish me well. Fall into an endless hole, hoping that you find the bottom. Maybe there's something there. You tell me that's my problem. A glimmer in the dimmest light.
Alright, let's talk about tuna. So today we were very lucky to get this beautiful piece of tuna. Now in Australia, or just commonly for us, we normally get the akami, which is a leaner cut of tuna. It's generally found like in sashimi or in your sushi rolls and stuff like that. This one here is chutoro, which is our favourite cut. I'm pretty excited to have this today. I haven't used it in this bowl before, but because we're here and we've got a beautiful piece of wasabi root, I figured it was going to be the perfect condiment. So this one's a medium grade, medium fat, so it's very silky. It still has a little bit of bite to it, but it's very delicious. So for our tuna, our chutoro, we're going to just make a very simple and easy crust. I'm pretty excited to have the opportunity to get my hands on the freshest tuna available in the world. Now, tuna in Japan holds a great cultural significance, representing prosperity and good luck. Whoa. That's amazing. It's earthy, heaps of kick to it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Just gonna make a marinade quickly, so I've just got some soy here. I'm gonna add in our wasabi, and it goes. And this is just gonna make kind of like a little bit of a paste. Bluefin tuna is highly sought after, graded and prized. It is used in sushi and sashimi. I can still remember the day that Lockie caught his first tuna in Arnhem Land. It was such a thrilling catch. The quality of the meat had lasted us for months as we vacuum sealed each piece. And one of the many ways we enjoyed it was encrusting it with sesame seeds and lightly searing it, serving it on rice with lots of Japanese vegetables and a simple dressing. For a minute while we prep up our bowls. So last night's rice is always best. If you do have time to cook them at the same time, go for it. But last night the girls had rice, so we're going to use that. And we're just going to garnish it. Time to add our tuna into our bowl. So just place a few pieces on top. And this right here is our freshly grated wasabi tuna bowls. Wow, what a day. We have learned so much about Japanese history. We've hunted down fresh wasabi root, and now we're cooking my seared tuna bowl with fresh bluefin along this super relaxing river. Japan just keeps on giving.